Butterflies are beautiful, but they didn't always look like this. Just a few weeks ago, they weren't butterflies at all. They were caterpillars. Just as there are many species of butterfly, not all caterpillars look alike. One thing they all have in common is their life cycle. A life cycle is the stages of life from hatching to growing and then changing into an adult. A butterfly goes through 4 stages. The first stage of life is the egg, usually found on a plant, which was laid by a butterfly. Monarch butterflies love milkweed plants and usually find one to lay their eggs under its leaves. Stage 2. Once larva hatches from the egg, it's called a caterpillar. After they are born, they have one job: to eat. They have strong jaws for chewing and eat about 30 leaves to get ready for their next stage. They have spinnerets for making silk. Their legs have stumps with hooks to help them climb and cling to plants. As it grows, the caterpillar sheds its skin up to 4 times. It's like when your feet get bigger and you have to buy new shoes. The caterpillar outgrows its skin and gets a new one. Stage 3. When the caterpillar finds just the right spot, he attaches himself with silk and hangs upside down. The caterpillar makes a case around itself. The insect is now called a pupa. When the case, also called a chrysalis, looks clear, the pupa has become a butterfly. This takes about a week. Stage 4. The adult butterfly breaks free from the chrysalis. Its wings are wet and weak. When the wings are dry, they start flapping and can fly. Then the cycle starts all over again. The change from caterpillar to butterfly is called metamorphosis. Monarchs are the only butterflies that migrate and travel long distances. Year after year, monarch butterflies fly to Mexico and California in April and May for warmer weather. Butterflies don't live very long, only a few weeks, but they have an important job. They spread pollen. When butterflies drink nectar from flowers with their long tongues, pollen from the flowers sticks to their bodies. This pollen rubs off on the other flowers that the butterfly visits. To make new plants, pollen must be spread from one plant to another. The library raised its own butterflies. We ordered a special kit, and inside were tiny caterpillars that had just hatched from their eggs. Here are images of their life cycle. Stop by the library and ask for a packet of milkweed seeds to plant in your backyard and attract butterflies. Get one while supplies last.